Imagine if I told you there's a food so addictive. Your brain starts craving it before you've even taken the first bite. Crispy tacos, cheesy quesadillas, smoky grilled meat, creamy guacamole. But the real secret isn't the recipe. It's hidden deep inside your brain. Mexican food looks surprisingly simple. Corn, beans, fresh vegetables, herbs, cheese, meat. Nothing seems unusual. Yet somehow these ordinary ingredients create flavors that millions of people around the world crave almost every single day. The story actually begins more than 7,000 years ago. Long before tacos existed, the ancient civilizations of Mexico had already discovered one of the greatest food combinations in human history. Their biggest discovery wasn't meat or spices, it was corn. But not just any corn. They invented a process called nixtamalization, cooking corn with alkaline minerals. It made tortillas softer, more nutritious, and dramatically more flavorful. Then everything changed. When the Spanish arrived in the 1500s, they brought cheese, cattle, pork, onions, garlic, and dozens of new ingredients. Instead of replacing ancient recipes, Mexico combined both worlds, creating the incredible cuisine we know today. But the real magic of Mexican food isn't just its history, it's the way every ingredient is designed to work together. A single taco can combine saltiness, acidity, spice, fat, freshness, and texture, all in one perfect bite. Your brain loves contrast. The sweetness of tomatoes, the sharpness of lime, the heat of chili, and the freshness of herbs constantly surprise your taste buds. Every bite feels exciting because your brain never gets bored. Now comes the strange part. Chili peppers contain a chemical called capsaicin. Your brain interprets it as a burning sensation. But instead of only creating pain, your body responds by releasing endorphins, the same chemicals connected to pleasure and excitement. Then comes another powerful combination, fat and flavor. Cheese, avocado, and slow-cooked meats create rich textures that make food feel satisfying. These fats carry flavors deeper and keep them lingering longer on your tongue. But Mexican food has one more secret weapon, the experience itself. The sound of meat hitting the grill, the smell of smoke in the air, the colors, the movement, the people. Your brain doesn't just remember the taste, it remembers the entire moment. This perfect combination of science, history, and emotion is why Mexican food escaped its borders. Today, tacos aren't just Mexican food anymore. They're one of the world's favorite comfort foods. But here's something most people don't realize. Mexican food is not one single cuisine. It is hundreds of different traditions combined together. The food from coastal Mexico tastes completely different from the mountains, deserts, and ancient cities. The reason Mexican food feels special is because many techniques have survived for generations. Families still make tortillas by hand, prepare traditional sauces slowly, and pass recipes from grandparents to grandchildren. So why did Mexican food become a global obsession? Because it has something every culture understands: comfort, bold flavors, fresh ingredients, and food that brings people together. Maybe the biggest secret behind Mexican food isn't one ingredient. It's the balance between thousands of years of history, incredible science, and human emotions. Every bite tells a story that started centuries ago. So the next time you eat Mexican food, remember, you're not just tasting a taco. You're tasting thousands of years of culture, science, and tradition. That's why Mexican food isn't just popular, it's unforgettable. Which country's cuisine should we explore next?